XHLD stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at 10 holdings, and this is a decent 40% increase in price. All I'm looking to do, man, is I was looking to buy. I was really looking to buy. I was waiting for a confirmation, but unfortunately just never got it. Like, it was close. It came down. We can actually even record this on -1 hour because that will be the right thing to do here. And generally speaking right now, is it still a buy? Let's talk about it. If there is no double break, I'm not looking to take it up. That's how XHLD is looking like. So what I'll keep doing is I'll keep waiting for my rules to be met, and if they're not, it's all good. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye.